got a Pro Mag drum for a little burst of 380 that I got. That bitch ain't never did me wrong. Then now that bullshit drum I got for my 1911, that motherfucking done jammed up on me at the gun range.
Oh, okay. Cause I saw that bitch you had. I said, damn, he got a drum for the 19.
Yeah,
Oh,
RWB make them, and then they got another. It's another company that make them 1911 drums. It's a waffle style drum.
oh, okay.
It look like a big ass waffle, but I think it ain't nothing but 30 rounds. But that motherfucker is more reliable than that RWB.
Yeah. I'm looking at them. Now this that other bad bitch. This the 12 day pump with the drum.
Man, motherfucker, all I can tell the motherfucker is they better leave you the fuck alone. That's all I know. Huh? I ain't nah look, I ain't even been I know y'all can't see my face. I'm being serious though. Like, you know what I'm saying? People be motherfuckers be trolling and talking shit and all the man. Motherfucker better go sit they black ass down somewhere and act like they got some common sense. For real.
You better mind your business. Mind your business. That's why I hear me. That's why I gotta mind my business. Cause hey, you don't want
Motherfuckers,
it.
hey, motherfuckers better go look up ammo reviews of what their ammo do to your ass.
You ain't lying.
Straight
Cause
up. Fuck.
hey, this just a quick walkthrough. You hear me? This just a little walkthrough. You hear me?
That,
Yeah, y'all be playing. You hear me? Y'all be playing game. Nah,
that's what
this
I
ain't no
said,
play.
motherfucker. Hey, motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie, work Benelli done make some fire ass shotguns.
Yeah, you see that breach on that bitch? Say you hear me? You see that breach on that bitch? Nigga got a
Yeah, that's
breach
what I
piece on
look,
it.
look. I put one of them on my Draco to
No
breach the
cap.
doors, to breach
Yeah,
so
yeah,
you can
yeah,
breach the door. Yeah, so you can
yeah,
breach
yeah.
doors on their ass.
Okay,
Yeah.
they don't know nothing about I'll breach your
Yeah.
forehead with that bitch.
Damn right. Hit it, man, bro. I had one of them little bitches on the 1911 I used to have, nigga. Beat it, slap somebody upside their head with that motherfucker.
Oh, my bad. I can't be leaving out my big bitch. I can't leave out my big bitch. Okay, let me bring out my other little bitch. Bring
Hey,
her out.
hey, you give me $80, I clean the whole lot. You give me $80, I clean the whole lot right now.
Shit.
Nigga,
What
I
the fuck
wasn't finna
you
clean. I ain't finna shovel no motherfucking snow, nigga. That nigga thought I was for real. You know, get your goofy ass on somewhere, boy. That nigga said, "Nah, man, I got it. I'm gonna do it myself. I'm trying to make this money, nigga. I'm just playing, nigga. I'm not finna shovel no snow, nigga. Shit, I ain't got no porch or nothing, nigga. I don't even need to shovel no snow. I stay in the apartment. Shit, yeah, man.
Oh,
Look at this shit,
what? God,
motherfuckers.
dog. Yeah, it's
This
blowing out
shit
there,
ain't.
man.
Yeah, this shit ain't no joke, man.
Yeah.
Shit,
Hey, y'all ready to go to war? Let's go get
I'm
them.
ready. I'm ready. Y'all lucky my kids up. Y'all lucky my kids up and running
Oh,
around.
see me.
I
Hey, see me. This the big boy shit right here.
Nigga, wait, what's my I got y'all, they be missing my lives when I be showing my shit. I think you the only motherfucker who be on live when I be on that shit.
You even see me? Look, the berry tip on this bitch. On the AR. You hear me?
What
Put
kind
the
of bro
berry.
what kind of muzzle that is?
That's that berry tip on the AR. Bars.
Man,
Big boy.
what?
It's the rifle.
Man, it's colder than a hooker's heart outside. What?
Yeah, I told y'all, man. This is a screenshot right there. That bam.